What is 9 subtract 6? The answer is 3. Hello and welcome back to AM Tutors. Today's lesson will focus on subtraction using a number line. This is typically a Year 1 topic.
Grab a pen and paper to work out your answers. When you see the pause button, hit pause to answer the question. Count your correct answers and comment your score below.
Let's begin by warming up our brain with some simple subtraction questions. Remember, you can use your fingers to help you during these. Question number 1. What is 4 take away 1? The answer is 3. Question number 2. What is 3 take away 2? The answer is 1. Question number 3. What is 5 take away 2? The answer is 3. Well done. How many did you get right? Now it's time for the main part of the lesson. First of all, we need to understand what is a number line. A number line is a straight line with numbers on it which starts from 0. It's a helpful tool to help us count, add or subtract numbers. Here is my number line. It has numbers which are in a row, starting from 0, and the numbers go all the way up to 10. We can use it to count forwards and backwards. So now that we know what a number line is, how do we use this number line for subtraction? Well, subtraction means taking away, and on a number line, this means we move to the left or count backwards. For example, let's try this question together. It says, what is 7 subtract 3? On our number line, we are going to start on the number 7. Now because we're subtracting, we're going to move 3 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3. We landed on the number 4. That means 7 subtract 3 equals 4. Here's another example for us to try together. It says, what is 6 subtract 2 equal? What number do we start on? Well done. We start on the number 6. And what direction do we move? We move to the left. Because we are subtracting 2, we're going to move 2 spaces to the left. 1, 2. We've landed on the number 4. This means 6 subtract 2 equals 4. Here are 4 questions for you to try on your own. Remember, if you get stuck, you can use the number line on the screen to help you. Good luck. Question number 1. What is 7 subtract 2? 7 subtract 2 would be 5. Question number 2. What is 10 subtract 5? The answer is 5. Question number 3. What is 8 subtract 3? The answer is 5. Question number 4. What is 9 subtract 6? The answer is 3. Now if you did manage to achieve 4 marks, then well done, and keep watching because the super challenge is coming up next. Tom has 10 sweets. He wants to give 4 of his sweets to his friend, and then another 3 of his sweets to another friend. How many sweets will Tom have left for himself at the end? use the number line to help you solve the problem. Right, time for the answer. So we have to start on the number 10 because that's how many sweets Tom starts with. We then jump back 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. We land on the number 6. We then have to jump back another 3 spaces. This is because Tom wanted to share another 3 sweets with his other friend. So 1, 2, 3. The final number we land on is the number 3. So that means Tom will be left with 3 sweets for himself.
That's it for today's lesson. Check out our other lessons and see what score you get. See you next time.
JavaScript.